Today, let's unlock the power of the word abase. It's a strong word about lowering someone's value or pride. To abase means to lower someone's rank, status, or esteem. It often means to make someone feel less important. A common mistake is confusing abase with abase oneself. To abase oneself means to humble yourself, but it can be negative too. Common patterns include to abase someone, feel abased, or restore someone's pride after abasement. He abased his opponent during the debate. She felt abased after the criticism. Don't abase yourself to please others. Once, a proud knight was abased by defeat but learned humility and respect from his loss. Think of abase as a base that is very low. It helps you remember it means to lower or bring someone down. Now you know abase. Use it carefully and try to avoid abasing others. Keep practicing.